both. Like I don't care which one, but you see, Ubi twitched a little bit.
I did. Here. No, it's okay. Whatever. I mean, I probably wouldn't play.
One shot.
You don't think so?
One kill.
I don't know. I mean, I guess.
Bree is a solo heal?
No.
Yeah, that's the
Ugh.
thing.
She has burst heals every 4 seconds for one person.
Yeah.
I guess I wasn't thinking about the. I was thinking about the fight, not about the healing. That's a good point.
Yeah, in a fight, yeah, I would
I'm
whack shit around, but no. Keeping you
And
up, Cav, that's too much.
That's a 5-person job.
You know?
It is difficult to keep me up. You're not wrong.
God.
It's really, really hard to do when you've got poor blood circulation.
God damn it.
And now I'm thinking about it too. Brigida's gonna be popping shit all around, and RhysCi's got a pretty close range for a Widow, so that's gonna make it hard to fight on point.
Wait, so we are running this in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, some stuff we have set comps for that, you know.
We never get to do this. I want to do it. It's fun. I would like to play fun things for the second. Get out of the way. RhysCi needs fucking sight lines.
I do.
My bad.
Hey, Azaria. Whoa, good shot.
Damn it, Haste! I literally had a sightline on the fucker on the Doomfist. I got him!
Stop
Nice.
screaming.
They're playing slow, so we can rotate into them when they go high left. Try to focus on when he comes back, RhysCi.
Their left side.
Are they pushing now?
There's their top high ground.
Should
left
be
side.
waiting. They should be waiting.
They're waiting, yeah, they're waiting. But it's Brigida, Ryan, Soldier.
No soldier.
Shots, yeah. You can punish
Shoot
there.
the shield.
I'm gonna try to pull him off. Nope. Yeah, just break that shield in the meantime.
They might be rotating bottom.
No
Here,
one
let's see. There they are.
Ooh.
No, they're waiting. The two on the bottom right are waiting. They're gonna try to cross in a second. They might try to initiate at the same time and fork us.
I could just grab him. I could just try to hook him.
I have no shield for 8 seconds.
Damn. Oh.
Alright, get ready, get ready, get ready. Keep Haste alive, keep Haste alive. There you go, there you go. No shield for 8 again?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Sorry,
stay
drops, sorry,
here
drops, sorry, drops. They're coming.
to
Let's
contest.
go left, go left, go left, go left, go left. There you go. Reinhardt, Reinhardt, Reinhardt. Break a shield. He's purple, he's purple. Shield up in 3. Soldier, soldier, going left.
Yep.
Alright, don't overextend, overextend. This is Junkrat top left, purple.
Okay, teleporter's up, but don't use it unless you have to.
Junkrat, there you go. And then Zarya just chilling.
I would shoot Zarya.
She's waiting.
Oh, I want her. Fuck.
Where is
I won't get her.
where's teleport? Shark?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh, she's low.
Sorry?
Don't overcommit.
We're definitely gonna
Break
go
that
right
shield
now.
while they're coming in. I think they're gonna go right. They're gonna come into us. I'm saving
Ricky
this shield.
switch to Moira.
Here we go. Here, I'm saving shield for this. When it breaks, get away. Get away. Go, go, go left. Go left. Go
I have a
left.
monkey on Ubi, on Ubi. Help Ubi.
Reinhardt here. We got a 5 point. We got a 5 point. Reinhardt.
We have no heals.
No heals, yeah.
I have 6 charges.
Just sustain.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. We can come
Yeah,
out inside.
I got nano boost. Oh, no, wait.
Alright, let's get ready to roll out this one.
I fucked up.
There, here we go.
Okay,
Here we
go, go, they're on it,
3,
they're
2,
on it,
1,
they're
go.
on it.
Go. I have ult coming in. Right side. Right side. Right side. Come to me. I have ult.
Oh, we can't
Alting?
get through.
Oh, nobody else did?
Nope.
I'm with you.
Well, back up.
I'm gonna see if I can change before this thing.
Oh, nope. Rip.
There.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
They're running triple tank. No more Junkrat. We can fight them on the bottom here. Let's fight this corner. On the rocks here.
Yep.
Come to me. They're coming
Sorry,
to me.
Cyclone.
I'm backing up.
We're
I'm
on
backing
Cyclone.
up.
Oh shit.
Nothing. Just need help.
Let's get a pie. Let's get a
I
pie.
know.
Get a pie. Good bomb.
I'll be switching soon as soon as I die.
Let's get up high here. Left side up. Monkey top right. Break the Rhine shield. Monkey coming. Top left, top left, top left. Don't get knocked off. Don't get knocked off. Lay into him, lay into him. Good shots.
Contest.
Oh, I got for you.
Yeah, drop down, Vel. Oh, no, I'm dropping. Come to point, come to point, come to point, come to point. There you go. Break that Rhine shield. No shield for 2. It's up. Ryan coming in. Ryan left behind. I'm on him. He's one.
Is that a telly?
No, it's a shield gen.
They're all purple.
I'm pulling him out in front. Diva pop. There you go. Good kills. Left side. There you go.
Noodle carry.
I have another tire.
Let's play from up high. Now they gotta come to us from way out.
Oh,
The hog's coming bottom left, I think.
Yeah.
We'll get ready to catch him.
Someone's trapped on the right.
Everyone else is coming to us. Yeah.
Where's that
Let's
hog?
back into this inside here. He's over here on the right. Ryan wants the ult.
Oh yeah.
Pull back.
Hog's
There
below
goes,
you
here
guys.
comes.
Below.
I'm not with you. I'm sorry.
Even keep haste up left side. I'm on respawn. I'm coming up. Start rolling out top right to that platform. There you go. Up one.
Yeah, let's contest.
Go to point. Go to point.
I'm coming on. I'm on. Is any left?
He was weak.
I'm on her.
I need help up top.
Pop. No shield.
Got the bitch.
Moira right.
Yep.
It's Defiance.
I changed. No more shield.
What?
We have
Pharah,
far.
Pharah
I need
over.
help.
High right. Yep. Let's play further back here, like on this.
Yeah.
On my shield.
Oh, that's gonna take a while to come up to. Hold on.
No, go around the back left here.
Yeah, there's back.
Okay.
I got bumped. Come to me.
Okay.
Build up in 4. I have ult for this fight. Keep me up. I can't ult.
What? Who'd I get? No! God damn it.
Reinhardt right by himself. Reinhardt right. OT.
Farah's on the right side, Vel, behind you.
You're down. Back up. We can get a big push out of here. No, we gotta give it up. Go, set up and gate. Left side.
We're gonna die.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Let's get the tiger. No, let's fight the corner first. Quick Ryan shield. Mine's
Back up,
broken.
yeah.
Up in 2.
You're alone, Kev.
Run 1. I gotta
Farah's
get out.
behind.
Yeah, she has ult.
That's one way to do it.
Back up to spawn.
60 seconds remaining.
Still only have one fight.
I contested long enough, so
They probably have grab sometimes.
They just used it, didn't they?
yeah, I think they just. I don't know now.
Let's
The Farah's in our
let's hug-
spawn.
Where? Which door? Let's get a full group. Come on.
Farah's right. Farah's behind us right.
We gotta go
You
on.
need
We
to
gotta go on.
contest.
Alting. In front of point. By point.
3. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Should I dive for the first one? Let's try to set up zoning for RhysCi on Griffins first, and then we can go from there. Again, it was novel enough they might try the thing that we did in the back left, so let's look for that.
One shot.
They don't know how to do it, so
We didn't even do it that well either.
Novelty.
Yeah, we collapsed because when they dove Ubi, we scattered on point when we should have collapsed into the inside of the wall.
Oi! This is no time for standing around.
How do you mean inside of the wall?
You
The
know?
one where the turrets are?
Or we just turn
Yeah.
in to the turrets.
Attack commences.
I also wasn't paying attention and realized they had a Winston. I thought they still couldn't get me.
Let's get to it already.
5, 4, 3, 2.
They have a far. I'm gonna see if I can pop her.
Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Up on the left.
I think they're playing point. Yeah, alright, let's take Griffins here. They must be playing point. They're probably gonna have one up on rowboat, so we can go for that haste.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna peek real quick, see where they are. They are playing back in that. No, they're just playing on point. They're just playing on point.
It's the far.
There's a Moira, an Orisa, a Hog, a Zenny. Let's play the Zenny. He's on back left. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Moira back left. Shark. Never mind. Zenny again. He's back left. Focus his back left zone. Back out.
Okay, it was close. I'd say it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, we have spawn advantage on the far.
We're gonna be down deeper though.
Yeah.
You needed a doctor? Come sit in
Cat, do you wanna do like a pincer?
No one can hide from
There they are.
Or we go bottom? Like bottom on around and Vel takes top, high ground?
You go by yourself, bottom right, and we'll try to pinch into it. Yeah.
Come out.
Fairy's by herself on the right over there. See?
She's like
hiding
AFK or
from
something.
me.
Yeah. There's still a Zenny here. All right, let's push up on me. Let's go around this left side, and we'll do our jumps from
Yeah,
there.
Roadhog's looking on the left.
Yep.
What are we
Oh,
wearing?
yep. Hog. Great. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's that far.
He's splitting sharks. All right, back up a little bit. Zenny.
I'm dead.
Back out. The soldier is staying like in manger or whatever we want to call that there.
I'm trying to back out.
Here I am.
Trying.
Yeah, when we go in, the soldier is wrapping into manger. I think maybe we just go straight on a point. I can
The
split up
far is
with
always
the,
on the ground waiting for me, so if you just dive her and force her to fly, I can kill her. But until then, I can't move up with you guys.
Okay.
Can't. All right, we'll look for her.
She's usually on the right.
Hog is set up on the left. He's looking for a hook.
Let's push right.
He's rotating.
Tell me when you're ready.
He's
Haste.
rotated.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Look for the Zen. Hooks down. 3, 2, 1, push in. Oh, they're ulting us. Good stuff. Manger. Fight main.
I
All right, that's
that
it. That's it.
again. Fires behind
Focus,
you.
soldier.
Seconds.
We're down. Back out. One more fight.
I see you're going for it.
I'm all the way behind, like way behind. So they're not gonna look for me.
Let's switch off the widow. We don't need that anymore.
Oh, they're looking for me. Never mind. There's 2 on me. It's okay. I'm doing well.
We're all soldiers now.
30 seconds remaining.
There's one on boat this time. Oh, it's fair.
We can do this.
Are we here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Remember, go inside the manger here. Hooks down. Go up, go up. Here we go.
I
On
need
me.
health.
10 seconds.
Here's behind, just gonna ult.
Above us. There you go, there you go. Alright, push manger, push manger.
Let's go.
Soldier, 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 soldier left, soldier left, soldier left. He's one.
Get these 2
And
in the
then
manger.
Soldier, then Zenny. Soldier, 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 soldier. Last fight.
No heals. Wait.
Yeah, now there is.
Team kill.
I honestly just didn't see where Soldier was. Sorry.
He was on the inside of the wall.
Right, but when I'm diving in, I was like 50 HP and I need to